REX615 relays are delivered from the Electrification Service factory with suitable retrofit connectors installed on relay terminals. These retrofit connectors can be mounted onto the corresponding terminals of the installation support frame. Before starting the work, to retrofit the SPACOM relay with REX615, ensure that all electrical safety procedures have been followed, and that you comply with all safety instructions. Begin by inspecting the relay's wiring for any discrepancies. Then, remove the orange-colored connector. Loosen the existing mounting screws of the SPACOM relay to insert the installation support frame. The retrofit connector is marked with numbers on top. You can disconnect secondary wires from the existing SPACOM relay terminal and reconnect them with the matching number of the retrofit connector. Rewiring for X100, X110, or X130 is permanent. Separate, push-in type terminals are provided for the temporary, current transformer secondary connections. The support frame and SPACOM relay can be removed from the panel once all the rewiring is completed. Since the mechanical dimensions of SPACOM and REX615 are different, the cutout needs to be increased. Use the cutting tool, a handheld device, to get the cutout size of REX615. The cutting tool enables a precise quality cut. Neither time-consuming measurements nor additional panel surface protection is needed. Follow the installation instructions and install the REX615. Current transformer, secondary wires, need to be removed from push-in type terminals and reconnected to the corresponding terminals on X120 of the REX615 relay. Connect either the existing or newly delivered protective earth wire to the screw located between connectors X100 and X110. Install pre-wired retrofit connectors X100, X110, or X130 on the REX615 relay corresponding terminals. The retrofit process is fast and easy to do, eliminating a need to consult manuals or modify existing schematic drawings. As part of the relay retrofit program, the Electrification Service provides a pre-configured REX615 relay with the exception of communication configuration. You are now ready to energize the relay. Check relevant parameters and perform further commissioning checks.